Hello all, welcome back to day 3 session of mobile programming course. So here in this course, we are going to see how to program our Talking Tom app. So in our last class, we designed the screen and I hope you have all done this part. And today we will just start looking into how we can code this particular app. So before coding, let us understand what is this Talking Tom app do and how it works, right? So usually when we just speak, after opening this app, whenever we speak to the Tom, what exactly happens is it'll enact like it is listening to you, and then it'll repeat the same thing in its voice, right? So the same thing we are going to mimic. So how we can do that? So we can do that using two of these components as we discussed in our last video, right? So we just told speech recognizer will listen to you and it will store whatever you say in the form of a text, and then later using text to speech component we can able to understand what exactly the text is there. The same thing will be spoken by the mobile. So this is what the code or this is what the logic behind this. So let us do the same logic using these components. Okay, so here I have in the designer, I have click here to speak button. So I have a button. So when I click this button, basically what I should do is I should start listening to the user. Like whosoever is using the app, they will speak something, right? I should start listening to it. For that reason, I'm taking a speech recognizer and I'm taking this block called as call speech recognizer dot get text. So I want the text to be there. I want to get the text. So for that reason, I'm taking this block. And after I take this block, I go to text to speech. So here in the text to speech, I have this particular block that speaks the message. But where is this message now? Where is this text storing? So the text is storing inside this part only. That is nothing but our speech recognizer only. So we have to take this particular block, that is when speech recognizer 1, after getting the text, it's like it will get the text first, and after getting the text it will store that text inside the result block over here, which is a variable. It's a local variable. So it will be stored in this particular place. So now what I'll do, I'll just take this text to speech component which I've choose, right? Dot speak message. I'll take this and I'll put it inside this. So once I put it inside this, it is expecting some input, right? So what is the message that it has to speak? So now let me just go to the result and get result and then attach to it. So this way what will happen, so when the button is clicked, immediately the speech recognizer will open, and when I tell something, so the same thing will be like stored in the form of a text, and in the result it'll be there in the result, and then using the text to speech component I'm putting the same result as a text. I'm giving that text as an input so that this speech text to speech component will reproduce the same. So this is all the code is, and I hope you enjoyed it. So now let us try, let us test this app, like how it works. And as you know, to testing this app we require a app called as AI2 companion, so which will look something like this. I'll show you. If you have not installed it, please go install this app using Google Play Store. Okay, this is how it will look. So please install this app. So this app will help you in testing the app that you have developed using the app inventor. And if you are an iOS user, I'm not very much sure how it works because it is still in the development stage from MIT App Inventor organization. They are trying to develop this for iOS also. If your iOS versions are like updated to the present version, it may work properly. If it is a little older versions, then I'm not very much sure about the outputs. But if you're using Android phones or the Android tablets, this will work great, and no, there is no doubt about it. So you can confidently get these outputs if you are using a Android phones, because this is mainly developed for Android development, Android mobile app development, for that reason. So let us get into this testing mode. So I have installed this app in my mobile. So let me just go to connect and click on AI companion. So immediately I'll get this QR code. So now let me scan this QR code in my mobile. So now I'm opening the app in the mobile. I'm scanning the QR code. So once I scan the QR code, the progress bar will on. And once the progress bar is on, and after some time, I'll be able to see the app will be on my mobile. So let us test the app.
Hi, today I have developed an app.
So I hope you understood how it works. So it is very similar to your talking tom, right? But in your talking tom, there'll be a lot of animations of a tom, but here it is a picture only. So this is a prototype that we have developed the same way. You can just develop this a little more further, and you can go creative and put some other characters and try to do it. I hope you people have got the output. So please try this, and let's meet in the next session with some wonderful app. Bye. Take care.